Hey people, you know, normally when I conduct my eye healing classes or any, energy reading, it's always with that spirit of seva, which is what is important in life. But I realize that if we price our, talent or skill or anything too low, it's like at a certain point it's as if the world has to begin to do seva for us, like as in it becomes so economically unviable that you're seen almost in a very sympathetic way. So earlier, when I used to charge 200 for my readings, it was readings and eye healing class also, it was just seen as if it is just of very low value because it's such a low price. Now that when I was charging 500, even then, since it's only one student per class, I feel I'm able to give a lot of attention to that one student when they come. At a later point, of course, I used to have group classes, but I feel that individual attention is special in its own way. But it has to be sustainable, right? So I'll be charging 1,000 for it, but it's all about giving that student value for that class. So yeah, that's my message today. I wanted to make this video because these are some things one needs to say it, because otherwise it would play on one's mind. And I like to do humor writing, so that's what, if I conduct a class, I'm giving so much of myself in that class that it's just so exhausting. So that's why that's what I'll charge a little more, but give them that full individual attention and have the time to do my humor writing also. So yeah, so it's already crossed 2-minute video. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.